Alright, so we're down to our last video, which is our quick battles to, well, finish up these, it's the 4-on-4 one. These are the ones we're so bad at. Like, I am so, gosh, just horrible. I'm so bad. Well, looks like maybe someone else doesn't want to click that button. Possibly not. Oh, there we go. Alright. So let's see here. So who do we want to try? Who do I want to try? You know, just because I know he is my buddy Nick's best boy. Because I know he's my buddy. He is my buddy Nick's best boy. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try him out. We're gonna see what he can do. I have no idea how to use him, but we're gonna try. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna try. So there's a flame charge and aerial race. Plus fly. Alright, well, I don't know. We'll pick one. we'll see which ones we, misclick and click on. Alright, so we have no bulk on our two. Well, I guess Ninetales can have some bulk. I mean, all my items are built around HP, so I don't know. Definitely not your traditional Talonflame, that's for damn sure. I don't know. I've never played him, so we're gonna test him out. We're gonna see what he can do. Let's see what Mr. Talonflame can do, and hope for the best. Not expecting the best, but we're gonna hope for the best. So I'm actually gonna kick the mic off just because, well, stuff and things. So I'll probably kick it on later on, but I don't know. We'll see.
Ready, go!
I'm so used to not having the X attack that it's like a panic button at this point, where I will just panic hit that Y button, and Alright, let's go aerial ace, and we'll go fly. Just because I'm not sure what either of them do. Oh, okay. So that's what that does. He exploded. Did I get the kill for it, though? I don't know if I got the kill for it, though. All I know is that I'm going to explode. Damn, dude, just the amount of damage output that this thing has, and I don't even have a proper build on it, so, like, I can only imagine people who actually know what they're doing with this damn Pokemon is, like, ridiculous, dude. I should probably go up there and help out Pikachu. I'm coming, Pikachu. Nope. Alright, so my Unite move is going to be that big old, I am disgusted with how much damage Talonflame does, dude. Like, that is ridiculous. Like, that is absolutely just unnecessary damage. Like, just an unnecessary amount of damage. Oh, I thought maybe I could kill it before it explodes. Guess not. Oh, no, I did. I got the 10. Okay. Get over here, Venusaur! Get over here, Venusaur! Okay, I'll go for your Slowbro friend. Get over here, Pikachu! It's disgusting. Like, I don't even know, dude. I don't know how to explain how gross it is, how much damage this Talonflame does. Like, I mean, I get it. I get why people play him. I completely understand. But it's nuts. Like, I can totally see Shell Bell being used. Oh, I gotta go over here and help Venusaur. Or, not help Venusaur, help Ninetales. I mean, you see that, like, one aerial ace, and it takes out just a stupid amount of HP. And I haven't even used... Oh, the wall was in the way. Man. That's gross. Like, that's not nice. That is not nice damage. I mean, the Slowbro definitely walled this, that's for sure. Slowbro definitely put a damper on things, but hey, and we got MVP for it. Oh my god, I can see why Nick likes to play him. Like, I can totally see why Nick likes to play him. Absolutely understand why. Just, it is ridiculous, dude. And just like that, we got all of our dailies, and looks like we got another one of these guys down here. Oh, for picking up all the citrus berries. Okay. Alright, well, that's that. Thanks, guys, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, Talonflame was pretty gross. And if you don't think so, then you probably use Talonflame. Alright, guys, have yourselves a good one. Bye now.